Hello and welcome to Moving Market Podcast Weekly Recap. Looking back to last week, we didn't get the calm I was hoping for in the markets. You saw interest rates jump around the U.S. debt downgrade, and then you saw the Trump administration threaten 50% tariffs on Europe starting June 1. So fair amount of market volatility last week. You had some positive news out of the big housing companies, Home Depot and Lowe's. Both reiterated their outlook and see very little impact of tariffs, so that should help the housing market looking ahead overall. This week you saw a reversal of the 50% tariff on Europe, so the markets have bounced back. And another positive, consumer confidence, which historically is heavily related to stock prices and gasoline prices. The market's rebounding for the most part at least 5% in the month of May. And the tariff extension has boosted consumer confidence. So it's good reason to believe you'll see a pickup and a steadiness in the economy overall. And with the backdrop of potential more trade deals, there really isn't a lot of economic data to focus on in the month of June. You'll have some employment numbers, some inflation numbers, and a Fed meeting later in the month. But the markets still, for the most part, seem to be in a positive uptrend, and consumer confidence this morning kind of reiterates that outlook. So we'll see what happens this week, and we'll touch base next week.